Between 1958 and 1962, China experienced one of its most harrowing periods, the Great Chinese Famine. Spurred by Mao Zedong's ambitious Great Leap Forward campaign, millions of lives were tragically lost. Designed to revolutionize China's agrarian economy, the policy forced unprecedented changes in agriculture and industry. Communal farming practices were introduced, dismantling traditional farming methods that had fed villages for generations. Factories sprung up in rural areas, diverting labor from food production to steel manufacturing. Consequently, crop yields plummeted. Reports of inflated grain production figures and unrealistic quotas led to the central government demanding far more than what was available. Coupled with environmental disasters like floods and droughts, this created a perfect storm. The government's initial denial and suppression of information exacerbated the crisis, leaving remote villages to face empty granaries and widespread starvation. An estimated 15 to 45 million people perished.